Friday, April 14th. And I had a very fun day today. I was not at work all day, so I came back to make sure I did my video, which, by the way, I know I didn't do last night. I was on a Zoom call with a QuickBooks expert. So, needless to say, I was a little overwhelmed and just when I hung up, I was like, I cannot talk about anything tonight. My brain is fried. So, anyway, QuickBooks is not my forte, but anyway, I'm trying in my ripe old age. So anyway, so today, though, tomorrow is the Garden Club tour, which I told you about earlier. And so if you still want to go and you live nearby, please get a ticket from us or go to any of the houses and you can get a ticket right there. Anyway, it goes all day tomorrow from 10 to 4. But anyway, so the day before, everybody that's in the Garden Club, and I'm not an active member, I'm an associate member because I'm just old and tired. But anyway, every decorating day, I always go and help do flowers because it's what I love. Love to do flowers, and it's kind of one of my things. So I have been arranging beautiful flowers in someone's lovely home all day. Since 9 o'clock this morning, I got done at 4:45. So, and the house looks beautiful, and she's excited, and she's gonna have a party after the tour tomorrow evening, so that's fun. It's always fun when people do that and they're kind enough to put their house on the tour. Then they have this beautiful, everything's clean and put away and looks great, and so have a party, why not? So that's what I did today, and I'm ready to sit down because I've been standing all day, but it was really fun. But when I got back to the store, we got in a new shipment of Woobles. Remember Woobles? It's the Learn to Crochet kit for beginners, and now I have 6 different kits. So I'm going to show them to you. They are $35 a piece. They are adorable. They're very small, and here's what's included, which is amazing. The yarn, of course, a step-by-step video, pre-started piece, so that she's already started your chain, a 4mm crochet hook, the stuffing, plastic eyes, a yarn needle, and online instructions. And meet your next hobby, she says. And you just have to click and watch the video and you'll be on your way. So we have this adorable Fred the dinosaur, cute as he can be. And now we have Pierre the penguin. So cute. Did I tell you they're $35? I think I did. This is Felix the fox. Love him. So cute. And new is Bjorn the narwhal. Bjorn the narwhal, right? And appropriate season, Kiki the chick. Kiki the chick. And last but not least, Jojo the bunny. How cute is that? 6 adorable characters. You can make them all, and you will be a crocheting wizard when you've taught yourself how to do it with a Wooble. And I really honestly think that Woobles were started, I believe she is in Cary, North Carolina, which is kind of fun, little fun fact. All right, I will see you tomorrow. I hope you have a lovely evening. I will get a video made tomorrow because then I think I told you I'm leaving Sunday early and I'm going out to Denver, which I haven't been to Denver in 100 years. I'm going to drive up to Longmont on Sunday and visit my friend Gail, who has the Longmont Yarn Shop in Longmont, Colorado. And I'm going to stay and see her store, which I've wanted to see forever. She's been here to visit me, so I'm looking forward to that. And then on Monday, I'll drive back to Denver and we'll have an intensive with my retail consultants and all of my buddies and cohorts intensive mastermind. So I'll be overloaded with information and great ideas, and I'll be just taking it all in until Thursday when I fly home. And so I will be here. I will see you on Friday, a week from today. But I'll see you tomorrow too. All right, enough babbling, enough rambling. I hope you have a great evening. I will see you tomorrow.